All right, you're welcome to Heroic Universal Concept International. This is Heroic Academy. All right, you have an opportunity to learn how to make money on WhatsApp. Okay, I'm going to teach you how I made lots of money on WhatsApp and how I promote my business on WhatsApp and how I promote other people's businesses on WhatsApp as well. You are actually going to learn a whole lot. Okay, Heroic Universal Concept International offers training online and ICT services. My name is Uchejo. I'm the founder, Heroic Universal Concept International. Okay, so that said, now let's get started. Okay, how I made millions on WhatsApp. Okay, how I made millions on WhatsApp. I've been using WhatsApp for quite a long time now, and I discovered the potentials WhatsApp had, and I had to exploit it to my advantage. And it's a wonderful story for me, and I felt that you will also need to learn what I've learned over the years I've been using WhatsApp. Okay, and if you follow the roadmap I'm going to present to you today, you are surely going to also make lots of money in millions on WhatsApp, right? So that's it. What is WhatsApp marketing? WhatsApp marketing is a form of messenger marketing that involves promoting a brand through WhatsApp. This marketing strategy allows businesses to reach a wide audience, build strong relationship with customers, and increase sales. Yeah, so WhatsApp is a messenger app where you interact with prospects, you interact with your potential customers. They ask you a question, you answer their questions, you give them guidelines, then they eventually buy from you. People buy from you easily when they have the opportunity of you explaining things to them and convincing them. Okay, so WhatsApp is quite advantageous. It has its own advantage when you compare it to other form of marketing like email marketing, because it's a messenger app that gives you that advantage of chatting with people instantly. Okay, so that they ask you a question, you answer their question, then if they're satisfied, they will pay you. Okay, then WhatsApp growth. As of 2024, WhatsApp has approximately 3.03 billion monthly active users. Okay, marking a growth of about 9% from previous year, which translates to an increase of around 250 million users. This makes WhatsApp the leading mobile messenger messaging app globally. Yeah, WhatsApp user base has actually, increased astronomically over the years. Imagine over 3 billion monthly active user, billions in billions. So you see that it's a huge app. It's actually a huge platform for every opportunity. So that is why you can comfortably make money, a lot of money. Sorry. That's why you can comfortably make a lot of money promoting your businesses or other people's businesses on WhatsApp, as long as you learned the strategy that will help you do that. Okay. And if you check, it is hard to see someone who doesn't have WhatsApp account these days. Okay, almost everybody has WhatsApp account. Just to tell you that you can comfortably um, get across to them on WhatsApp. Okay, unlike some other messaging apps, some people don't actually have accounts, and so in some other messaging apps, you understand. So it's a huge opportunity for you if you are learning this, right? If you learn the right way to make money on WhatsApp, I tell you, you are going to be amazed how much you are going to make as against how much you'll be making before you learn WhatsApp marketing. All right, so you will surely be making much more than you used to make right? No matter the kind of business you are into, as long as you learn how to build list of prospects, you learn how to message them, how to respond to them, how to educate them, then they will buy from you happily, and they will buy in larger number than you used to gain, right? And I tell you, it might be a bogus claim, but it's true. If you are making, let's say, 1 million naira, let's say if you're in Nigeria and you're making 1 million naira now, or you're in Ghana, you're making 1,000 Ghana cedi, okay, or you are in US and uh, you're making, let's say, $500, then it's going to, if you start using WhatsApp, if you start using WhatsApp and you take it very seriously, start using WhatsApp, I assure you that um, the moment once you start using it and you keep using it and you learn all the strategies I'm going to teach you, you are going to make more than 10 times that amount you're making. So if you're making 1 million naira, that means you're going to be making at least 10 million naira. If you're making 1,000 Ghana cedi, then you'll be making at least 10,000 Ghana cedi. If you're making $500, that means you'll be making $5,000. You might think I'm joking, but I'm not kidding. It's true. If you do this marketing well, it will take some time, but you're going to see that growth gradually. Your customer base will keep growing. You see it grow, okay, and you'll be happy you did. And if you are promoting other people's businesses with WhatsApp, they are going to be quite proud of you, and they will even refer you to other businesses too, and you also make lots of money too. Okay, if you are an affiliate marketer, you also make lots of money promoting other people's business and earning commissions from it. Okay, so that said, advantages of WhatsApp. I think let's talk about the advantages of WhatsApp in the next video. Okay, but what I wanted to know here is that I mean, in your digital marketing journey, do not ignore WhatsApp. In your digital marketing journey, okay, never ever ignore WhatsApp. WhatsApp is so important. All right, it's even my preferred choice when it comes to marketing my business. It's my preferred. I have email marketing. Okay, I market through other platforms, but the WhatsApp has given me more returns compared to other platforms I'm using combined together. It has given me much more return. I've really made millions on WhatsApp. Do you understand? So do not ignore WhatsApp in your digital marketing journey. I would tell you, it should be one of the first marketing strategy you are going to use. One of the first app you are going to use for your marketing. Don't ignore WhatsApp. Okay, so that said, in the next tutorial we'll talk about advantages of WhatsApp. Thank you so much.